Hi.
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 Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, we are First A, the English Physics class of Liceo Tassoni in Modena, and today we're presenting Sinking in the Rain. We analyzed different study cases that involve temperatures, precipitations, winds, air pressure, and pollution levels in our region. The data we are presenting is about the main climatic events in Modena in the latest years.
When this happened, we were still small. The rivers Panaro and Secchia flooded the surrounding areas. We found out that these events are the product of an higher air temperature and a lower air pressure and a peak of winds coming from south.
This new case is about hail that suddenly fell on the region. This happened because of a drastic temperature loss, constant pressure, and winds from south.
In May 2019, we had another flood due to very high temperatures, growing air pressure and southward winds.
We remember very well when this happened. The rivers flooded many towns and impacted many plantations. In that time period, we saw the temperatures reach more than 14 degrees in the middle of the winter. We had a low pressure and inconstant winds that often shifted from northward to southward.
As a last study case, we brought the air quality data from before, during and after the 2020 coronavirus lockdown. Our region is always covered with high nitrogen dioxide levels, but slowly these levels reduce with less open factories. After just a month from the start of lockdown, our air is way better and so on until October 2020, when we start to see again higher nitrogen dioxide levels that grew up but didn't reach the peak of before lockdown.